How to deactivate Facebook highlight notification using the app. First of all, open Facebook app on your device. Then make sure to sign in on your account. Once you have done that, when you tap on the notification icon at the top right corner of the screen, here you will see the highlighted notifications on Facebook. So in order to stop it, you have to simply select the three line icon at the top right corner of the screen. On this menu page, scroll all the way down and select Settings and Privacy option and select the Settings option. Once you get access on the Settings and Privacy page, you have to scroll to the bottom and on your preferences select Notifications option. So here you have to select the option of tags and scroll down and under receive notifications for batch mention as it has been toggled on, you have to toggle it off. Once you have done that, people will be able to add you on the highlighted notifications, but you won't get the notifications of those highlights on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.